I bought the wrong shirt.
Willie and Savio absolutely killing it all day and day.
This is what a second place finish in seeding bracket looks like.
What's up? We're at Sebring. We lit. You get it. We got Yazelle. He just dropped down. You didn't see? Look at him. He said, me, I'm Mario. Listen, we outside. Car feels good. We haven't done any testing yet, but everything's checked out. Everything's looking good. Team's out here shining and grinding. We're excited, man. We're excited. Like, we just want to get on track, man. So let's hopefully we're hoping for the best. Probably hopefully some better results than round one. So if you're watching, don't forget, like and subscribe, and let's get this show on the road and let's get on track and check back. Let's get it. Drivers meeting. I don't know about. It's a shit show.
Any more left, you come and run.
It's Renee's day to shine.
Yes, I get to play.
New shirt, who's this? Yeah.
OnlyFans right here. The link to the OnlyFans right there.
Link in bio, baby. Right here, made in Dade. Dade County. Sweat. Here. Good time.
Why you grab it? Just ignore it when you're getting out.
I bought the wrong shirt.
Right,
I didn't realize you bought a fast and then you had a cool shirt.
This is a King's Performance zip tie tech tip.
This is a special edition.
So when you buy your Dominican cool suit, and you're trying to connect it to your American cool suit.
When you buy your Guayabera for salsa nights, make sure it connects to the right box. Oh man. You know what's funny? I'm never gonna have a cool suit. I've tried so many times. That feels good. Winning feels good. That's a solid W, huh, bro? What?
Stop walking towards me.
Oh, sorry, I'm excited. You recording?
Uh-huh.
All right, so we're in the show. We won our first battle. We're off to Battle Collect now. No hard feelings if I get beat by a girl. So let's go.
Gets the win.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on to the final 8 in the seating, grade 8 or whatever. Big W's. It was a blast driving with Colette. That car is fast as I got lost in a little bit, but other than that, it feels good. We're making rounds. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, boy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. This ain't real life.
Look, we're gonna prep the car, go give him a hug. Hey, and all that shit. Yes, I need to do a set. We're scrubbing. You're gonna run scrub.
What about that? Check that set. All right, so final 4, baby. We outside. Seating. Let's get it.
You're all right.
They're fine.
You want to check tire pressure?
Those are actually not bad. Yo, let's do something. Load up the mini truck with 2 tires and 2 wheels. We'll have the wheel guy swap them out.
Are they open still?
Yeah.
They are for sure? Yeah. Oh, okay.
They can handle a whole
in. Initiation. Getting serious efforts on his own.
Willie and Savio absolutely killing it all day today. Love to see it. You want to turn your car off, Willie? Thank you. Thank you. Look at him opening the door for him. He's so sweet.
Oh, that's a big old hug. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Get on. I got you too.
I think he forgets how mics work.
Oh my gosh. And they're trying to figure
What am I
out.
supposed to do? He's coming around the corner.
You're good.
Tomorrow's gonna be epic.
Second place.
P2, baby.
Oh, look at him. This is what a second place finish in seating bracket looks like.
I'm out here living my best life. Shout out to my team. Shout out to my girl. I ain't gotta do nothing. They say get up, shut up, and drive. Oh, what I did. Huh?